Okay, so after disassembling this model, which must have come off of an older, like maybe an '08 or something, which you end up destroying the lower convex mirror to get it off. And this one you can get off if you're, in an earlier video I showed, if you gently pry it up, you can pop these little tabs off of the mirror itself here. This guy here snaps on that. And then if you want to work on stuff up here, you don't have to take all this off. You can order the mirror parts through AutoZone. And then you take this apart, pull the gears out, put them in an order. So if you can remember them, I have a hard time, but whatever. Pull this out, and then you can roll this whole assembly off if you need to. Okay, then you don't have to deal with this. This will all roll off. And that way, if you're buying, even if you're buying a new frame here, like this one's broken, and this is not broken, you don't have to take it all off of there. Or, like if you broke the escutcheon that goes over here, basically, you got to decide how much of your mirror you need to disassemble. So you don't have to go into your door panel and pull all that stuff apart and get that off of here. All that. This will come off of the arms, and you can just replace what's broken. This stuff has the obvious bunch of screws and goes back together. These are the same in the later years, because this is what I have here. Like, they have these connectors now, and in the later years it does just pop off. This pops right off of here. So if you just break the glass, it will absolutely pop off and back on, and has different smaller tabs, as will this thing. As you can see, it has little tabs and nicer spade connectors. Same escutcheons, just a different mounting method. There's that. I did mess this up, so that's going to be fun to put back in. So, earlier years, you break the lower convex, but you can pop the other glass off. Both years, you can remove this assembly without taking this apart if this is not broken. And if you just broke this part here, and these are okay, you can pull these off and, put them back on, and then slide the escutcheon over it as well. So if your arms are okay, you don't have to get inside the door. It's much easier to deal with this extremity stuff. All right, any questions, let me know.